What you need the simple act of holding a warm mug, the heat you feel radiating onto your hands, even without touching the liquid, is a clue to some of the universe's most fundamental laws. This is thermodynamics in action. That warmth travels in three distinct ways. The spoon left in your drink gets hot through conduction, a direct transfer of energy from particle to particle. The steam rising from the surface is convection, as hot, less dense water vapor rises and carries heat with it. And the warmth you feel on your skin is radiation, energy traveling as electromagnetic waves through the empty space between you and the mug. These aren't just tricks of a hot beverage, they are expressions of the first law of thermodynamics. This law is a simple, profound statement of conservation. Energy can't be created or destroyed, only moved or transformed. The heat leaving your mug isn't vanishing, it's warming the spoon, the air, and your hands. The total energy remains constant. But then there's the second law, which explains why your drink will always cool down and never spontaneously heat up by drawing warmth from the cool air. Heat has a one-way street. It flows from hotter objects to colder ones. This unavoidable directionality means that in any energy transfer, some energy is always lost as waste heat, increasing the overall disorder or entropy of the universe. It's why a perpetual motion machine is impossible, and why even the most advanced engine can never be 100% efficient. From the engine in a car to the stars in the night sky, these rules govern everything. They are the invisible currents that dictate the flow of energy, painting a picture of a universe that is constantly changing, cooling, and moving toward a future of greater disorder.